Hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you already know what to do, okay? You already know what to do, trust me. Just click on the subscribe button on the red button there. It's free, guys. Click on it, subscribe to my channel, like my video, please guys. In today's video, I'm going to be looking at my notes because I have my notes already, okay? This is your Igbo teacher, and what is my teacher if I don't have a note, okay? And today we're going to be learning ahirioku. Akoko ahirioku in Igbo language. That's parts of a sentence. Yes, sentences has parts, and these parts of sentence helps us to make correct sentences. The same way it is in English, that's the same way it is in Igbo. Do you understand? Parts of the sentences. Akoko ahirioku. Parts of the sentence. Parts of a sentence. Akoko ahirioku. Okay, this is a very important video. Make sure you watch to the end because after watching this video you'll be able to make sentence, and it will also help you to write sentences edemede in Igbo language, to help you to write a correct sentence in Igbo language. Okay, it will help you to know the things that your sentence is supposed to have. When you don't have it that way, it means something is wrong somewhere. Okay, so it is 4 parts. Yes, it is 4 parts, as easy as that. 4 parts of sentences. Ano, akoko, ahirioku. 4 parts of sentence, okay? I'm going to just leave one sentence here as an example, and then we dissect it. This will refer to other sentences you're about to make or other sentences you're about to write in Igbo language. It does not matter, okay? Example, do you understand? Omuma ato. Example, omuma ato. Example, omuma atụ. Kedu ka ide? Kedu ka ide? Kedu ka ha mere? Okay, omuma atụ. Example. Omuma atụ. Example. Kedu ka ha mere? Kedu there is mkpụrụ edemede okwu ebido. Do you understand? Mkpụrụ edemede okwu ebido. The K there, you can see the K there has capital letter K. Yes, you always start your sentence with a capital letter. Be it in English language or Igbo language or in any other language, you start, I don't know about any other language, but I'm very sure of English language, you begin your sentence with a capital letter. So the kedu there, you can see there is, remember I said 4 parts of sentences, that's 4 akoko ahirioku. So the K there, you begin with capital letter, which is the mkpụrụ edemede ukwu ebido. Mkpụrụ edemede ukwu. Mkpụrụ edemede ukwu is begin your sentence with a capital letter, which you can see there already. So if you're writing a sentence in Igbo and you don't start with a capital letter, you already failed, okay? You failed that sentence already. You failed writing that sentence already. So you must begin your sentence in Igbo language with edemede ukwu, that is capital letter, okay? Remember, this video is for you to learn the 4 parts of sentences. The ano, akoko ahirioku, that is the reason for this video. Number 1 here is your sentence must begin with mkpụrụ edemede ukwu. Your sentence must begin with capital letter. The K there is in capital letter, okay? Number 2 here is a sentence must make sense. Every sentence makes sense. If you don't make a sentence that does not make sense, it means it's not a sentence. So a sentence is a sentence that makes sense. I don't know if I'm making sense. I'm making sense. If your sentence is not making sense, it's not a complete sentence. And here we're learning the 4 parts of sentence. So we're talking about complete sentence. So number 2 here, the sentence must be complete. It's oge nghọta zuru oke. Ọ ga-enwe nghọta zuru oke. Edemede ahụ ga-enwe nghọta zuru oke. It must have a complete sense. It must make a complete sense meaning. It must have meaning, okay? And that is the reason you can see kedu ka imere obviously written there. And the 3rd one here is a sentence has a space in between. Ahirioku na-enwe ohere. You can't jam pack everything together. It means we don't understand what you're writing. A sentence must have space in between, and that is why you can see space in between what I just wrote here. Yes, you must have ohere in between. Mkpụrụ edemede ga-enwerịrị ohere na etiti. It must have a space in between. And the 4th one here is ahịrịokwu na-eji akara edemede akwụsị. A sentence must end with a punctuation mark. Ahịrịokwu na-eji akara edemede akwụsị. A sentence must end with a punctuation mark, either a full stop or a question mark, but it must end with these two punctuation marks. Remember, a sentence must have a meaning, so it's either a full stop or a question mark. Do you understand? Yes, the example is here already looking at you. Yes, this is very simple. So these are the four sentences, the four parts of sentences. They are not akụkọ ahịrịokwu that you must know to help you to write sentences in Igbo, to make a complete sensible sentence in Igbo. Hope you enjoyed this video, okay? If you do, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.